How to apply and print Word document with full background color. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word and then you'll find design option on top. On top right, you'll find page color. Select the color you want for your page. And to print, click on file located on top left corner of your screen. Then on left side, you'll find print option. Click on print. If you click on print, there is no background color while you print. So simply go to more, which is the last option below close on left side. After you click on more, you'll find options. In options, go to display, which is the second option below general and above proofing. And here on bottom, in printing option section, you will find print background colors and images. After, make sure tick mark is there, click on OK, and then click on File, Print, and after that, your background color will be available to print. This is how to apply and print Word document with full background color. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.